Through the front door, we have the living room, fireplace, and built-ins. Very sunny. Hallway, hardwood floors throughout. There are a ton of closets in this unit. Second bedroom. Small office nook. Split bathroom. Here's the second bedroom of the unit, another closet. Dining room. Another large closet here. Then we enter the kitchen. Recently remodeled. All new cabinets, countertops, stainless steel appliances. Lovely gas fireplace for those who like to cook. Room for a small table, small breakfast table. Extra large pantry. Laundry room. Wash and dryer in unit. Small outdoor space. Beautiful bricks.